Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialist. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. I will put a direct link to this particular RV in the description below. If you follow that link, it'll take you over to our website where you can see the pricing and the information on this unit. However, once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, give us a call in our office at 419-899-2020. Alrighty, folks, it is time to run through the inside of this 2014 Roadtrek Ranger. For all of our loyal YouTube subscribers, you've now noticed that my brother Luke has done the last couple of video tours with you. We're at a little bit of a slow point right now, so it was a good time to get him some training. Every now and then I go out on the road buying an RV, and if we had one ready, it would have to sit here and wait until I got back to do the video and the pictures. So we thought it'd be a good time to get Luke some training on that, so if I'm out on the road or not here for any given reason, that he is able to do the video tour and the pictures and get these things online so you can see them as soon as possible. The majority of the time, you'll still most likely be seeing me with a little bit of Luke splashed in here or there. Luke's main role in the business is the salesperson. So when it gets to the busy season, that keeps him pretty well tied up. And he would have a difficult time getting down here to take pictures and video. I'm more of my role is, I guess, a little bit of everything. I manage the shop, the guys in the shop. I do the books, paperwork, fill in his sales if he needs my help. Pretty much anything and everything I try to help out with here. In between all that stuff, I get a little bit of time to get down here and do some pictures and video to get these things on the web for you so you can get a look at them. Starting off here, we have our control center. We got our patio light switch, our battery disconnect switch, our inverter switch. This does have a rather large inverter. It has a 1250 watt inverter. Our water pump switch, our levels gauges. Hold any one of these buttons and it's going to light up your levels gauge there. Remote start for our Onan 2800 gasoline generator. The hours meter only lights up when the generator is running. That is showing 68 and some change hours on it, just over 68 hours. The inverter in this thing, again, is the rather large inverter. That inverter helps this unit be able to boondock to some extent. You can run a lot of your outlets off of the inverter as well as your microwave. Here we have a 2-burner cooktop. Has the flush mount glass top, so you can use that for extra counter space when you need it. We have this single basin kitchen sink with the cutting board cover. You can use that to chop up your vegetables and fruits and things if you need it, meats. You can also use that for extra counter space when needed. Open up a few cabinets for you here. Got some shelving down bottom. Drawer there. Corners cut out because of the lines for the cooktop. This refrigerator is a 2-way refrigerator. It runs on 12-volt electricity or 110-volt electricity. No propane gas in this one, so you can run it off 12-volt or 110. All the manuals in this cabinet there. Microwave, again, that microwave will run off the inverter. The only thing that you're dependent on the grid, power grid for in this unit will be the air conditioning unit. The air conditioning is strictly 110. You will have to be plugged into shore power or running the generator to run the air conditioning. Wet bath here. I will open that up and show you that on the way back towards the front. You can use this as a wardrobe, pantry, whatever you want to use it for. We have 2 table legs down here, one for the front, one for the rear. This also has an on-demand water heater. That there is your on-demand water heater. Lots of cabinets around the top and the rear back here. Just open the one side up. This one is going to be the same on the passenger side. Nice deep, goes back there along the sides of the air conditioning unit. This does have the Cool Cat heat pump. That Cool Cat heat pump is going to give you your air conditioning, as well as it'll give you electric heat via the heat pump. The heat pump is only effective down to roughly around 40 degrees. Once you get below 40, that's going to struggle to give you heat. At that point in time, you're going to have to use your propane furnace to keep you nice and toasty in here. This cabinet here just has some shelves. DVD player here. The sofa is a power sofa. As you can see, it does have 2 seat belts in the center there, so you can buckle up 2 of your loved ones back here. So in this unit, we're going to be able to sleep lengthwise, similar to the popular floor plan. You can also sleep over here lengthwise, so you have kind of your twin bed set up. You can sleep crossways as well if you like. Most people typically choose to leave this out if they are going to sleep lengthwise. Your head and your shoulders are up here, the wide part of your body, where you need the width of the bed up here. Leaving this out makes it easier to kick your feet out and get up in the middle of the night if you have to go to the restroom or get up in the morning. Same over here, your head and your shoulders are going to be up here at the wider part of the bed. Keep your feet here, you can kick them out to get out of the bed quicker and easier if you have to go to the restroom. If you do like to cuddle, you could potentially sleep 3 people back here. You could sleep crossways. You're going to use the table to fill this in with the back cushions. Right there's one. You're going to take those back cushions, fill this in with the table. You could potentially sleep 3 people here if you needed to. 1, 2, and 3. That is only if you do really like to cuddle. Again, this is power. I'm going to run this back up so we can take a seat here and get some shots towards the front of the unit. Just hold the button, quick and simple. Goes right up, right down. Quick and easy to make the bed or go back to your seating. Side window on the driver's side as well as the side window on the passenger side do both open. You can open those and get that cross breeze on those cool mornings and evenings. Thermostat for the furnace and the Cool Cat heat pump. Switch to run your power bed up and down. As you can see, we do have surround sound in both corners for your TV. Why did God give us shins? Why did God give us shins? He gave us shins so we can find the trailer hitch in the dark. This is a Carfax one-owner unit. There's a little flip-up counter here. You can flip that up if you need a little bit extra counter space. It's going to be on this side of the pantry there, obviously, but if you need it, it is there. Again, this is a Carfax one-owner unit. Very low miles, 39,000 miles, 2014 model year. We have a 22-inch Samsung flat screen TV. Propane furnace down here. There is the wet bath. I'm going to pause the video. I'm actually going to go in there and show you the wet bath. Fantastic fan on the ceiling. I will be right back with the wet bath. Here's the wet bath. We have our shower head with mirror on the wall there. Our bathroom sink. Probably one of the top things that sway people away from a Roadtrek is that they don't often like the aisle shower. So in this Roadtrek Ranger, they gave you a fully enclosed wet bath. We've got your commode there, obviously. Shower pan, shower drain. I've only had a couple of these Roadtrek Rangers. I've had a couple people ask how roomy it is here to sit on the commode. So I'm actually going to pause again. I am 6'3", 230. I'm going to sit on that toilet, close the doors, and show you what kind of room you have. Okay, and currently I'm sitting on the commode. Again, I am roughly 6'3", 230 on a bad day, 220 on a good day. So I'm fairly tall, pretty good sized guy. My knee does rub the sink here a little bit, but it's not uncomfortable by any means. If I put my leg out, I'm actually not even touching there. So leg-wise, leg room, I feel pretty comfortable like that. What they did here is you don't actually close these doors all the way. They got this hinge here, so you actually leave this kind of pointed here to give you more shoulder room. I'm fairly broad-shouldered. My shoulders are touching the sidewall as well as the door. So a little snug there, but still I can fit in here pretty decent. Headroom, My head is not touching the ceiling at all. So overall, I mean, yeah, you can see there a little better. See, my shoulders are touching both sides. So a little snug, but I'm not cramped or overly uncomfortable by any means. And again, plenty of headroom. All right, we just have a little bit left here to finish up. Again, kitchen area on the driver's side. Microwave up top, sink, stove, fridge on the bottom. I forgot to mention this attractive looking vinyl flooring. We got this nice looking wood grain flooring throughout the coach part of it with the black rubber mat in the cabin. So no carpet anywhere. Nice and easy to keep this clean. You can sweep it out, wipe the floors down, whatever you need to do to keep the inside here nice and clean. We do have LED lighting all the way throughout. If you did not notice that, the LED puck lights. We have some storage on the side as well as in the mat pocket overhead. Again, super clean unit. 2014 with 39,000 miles. Carfax, one owner. Couple maybe tiny scratches, one or two on the exterior. Inside, I don't see hardly any flaws anywhere. Cloth, cushions, seats are all in good shape. No, the woodworking's not beat up or anything. Really nice, clean coach. I'm going to call this a 9.5. We do have the CD, DVD, as well as backup camera here in this. We've got a switch here, which is the power switch for the camera. You have to turn the camera on there so it's not staying on all the time and draining your battery. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call. Kuhn Truck and RV, promoting social distancing since 1976. All right, folks, we're going to run around the outside of this Roadtrek Ranger. We are 20.5 feet from bumper to bumper. Our tires have date codes of 1719. We have an 11-foot awning. This sits on the Chevy 2500 chassis. It is powered by the 4.8 liter V8 engine. For starters here, we have the vent for the propane furnace. Storage compartment opens up to your coach battery. We do have a backup camera mounted down here on the rear bumper. On our driver's side here, we have our outside shower. Our city water hookup is right there. We have our shore power cord coiled up right there. The sewer hose for you. Can use this compartment for a little bit of storage. We have our propane tank. And last but not least, our gray and black water valves.